This is my 06 911 C4 cab. These are my exhaust right now. It's got about 72,000 miles on it. Pretty old according to the forums. So they say it's time to replace the motor mounts, and that's what I'm gonna do today. Okay, on the left side, we've got about an 1.25 inches. On the right side, about the same 1.25 inches of gap. First thing we gotta do is glove up. Okay, let's get this airbox out of here. That's the first step. So we gotta get this. That's loose. This is loose. So this, probably mass airflow. Okay, so it's out. There's another, gotta get this wire organizer out. Oh man, I'm getting my shirt all dirty. There's another one in this corner. Okay, just unpopped. Okay, so everything's out. Okay. Motor mounts here, which is a 13mm. Have to get some extensions, and then over on this side as well. So first, you can't just unbolt them. We gotta jack the engine up to get some weight off of it. So we'll do that now. So going underneath here, I thought about it a little bit more, and instead of just using a hockey puck underneath here, I'm gonna use a piece of scrap hardwood that I have. I'm gonna place it right on top of here. Should spread out the load a little bit more. Alright, just got the nut off. The 18mm. Probably should put a list of parts you need. Start that now. So parts you need: a jack, of course, something to spread out the load. You got extension, 18mm. Need a 13mm for up top. This is what I have. Corteco. There. This part number made for the 997s. So I'm gonna compare the old to new and see how that looks. So now all I gotta do is take those two bolts out, and this thing just pops right out. Okay. Oh. Alright, you can see the new one is on the right and the old one is on the left. So the new one, man, that is, if you can see that, it's not even a quarter to the flange. And then this old one is right at 3/8. So yeah, it's probably worn and it's time for it to go, but I don't know, probably could have lasted a little longer. Okay, so see that there's a square hole that's in there that mates up with the square piece of this. So just need to make sure it sets back in there. It appears that it's correctly lined up from. So if I put these two together, they're both facing the right direction. So that's why this new one, when I placed it in here, it just sat in there really nice. Alright, the only thing I didn't mention is comparing the other side, and yeah, they're about equal. Alright, now that both sides are done, let's take a look and see what kind of measurements we get. Right at an inch. Right at an inch from top of the exhaust to the bottom of the bumper. So overall the gap is now a little closer. It moved up about 1/4 of an inch from how it was before the motor mounts were installed. So I think it's good for another 14 years or so. Alright, thanks for watching.